Good morning, preps, and welcome back to Remote Learning. Today we are learning about the number 20. Can you say the number 20 with me? 20. Good job. Now, the number 20 has a 2 and a 0. And we're going to have a go at building that today. Now, the tricky thing with the number 20, it's not a teen number because we don't say 20 teen. That sounds silly. We just say 20. And 20, we know, means it's got the tens in it. Now, this number 20, I'm going to show you a little trick. And I want you to see from my little trick if you can see how many tens we're going to need. Here I've got the number 20. What about the number 12? And the number 2. Can you see what each of these numbers has in common? You're right, it has TW in common, and they all have the number 2 in them. How crazy is that? That means that tw sound means 2 and t means 10. So I've got 2 tens. All right, let's have a look at building the number 20. Here I've got my 2 tens frames and we're going to have a go at building this first. Now I know 20 means 2 tens. If this already has 10, I can go ahead and fill that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one group of tens, and I know this has 2 tens, so I can go ahead and fill up my second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can now count them. This has already got 10 in it, so I don't need to count them individually. I can count the whole thing by tens. Are you ready? 10, 20. Oh, fantastic. Now we can make it on our worksheet. But first, we need to write the number 20 in the middle. And remember that has a 2 in the tens place and then a 0 because I have none left over. So 20. Now I need to build it on my tens frame. I only need a couple more. Here's one. I'll cut. Careful cutting with thumb on top. Just like so. And I want my tens frame to look just like what I've built here. I'm going to glue that on. Just like that. But, oh dear, I'm out of counters. Oh no. I might just draw them on, I think, and you can do this at home as well with my grey lead or a coloured crayon. I just need to do 2 more counters and I can colour them in. And I can see that now I've got 10, 20, just like what I have with my tens frames here. Now we're going to have a go at building it with our bundles. Now I know how many is in a bundle. 10. Well done. And how many tens do I need in the number 20? 2. Fantastic. So I can just get 1, 2 bundles. Ready? We've got 10, 20. Fantastic. We know that's 20. So with my sheet, I can cut out my bundles. And I can just cut out 2 bundles, just like what I've made here. Careful cutting. Alrighty, glue that on over here. There we go. Now we're going to have a go at building it with the MAB blocks. Now the last numbers you learnt were a little bit trickier from our teen numbers, so I'm actually going to show you what happens when we go from 19. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But what happens? Let's count how many ones we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do I do when I get to 10 ones? You're right, we change it over. So I'm going to change it over for one of my MAB 10 sticks. So now I've got 10, 20. Oh, fantastic. Now I can just cut that out on my worksheet so I can glue it on. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, 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 cut. And we can glue that onto your worksheet. There we go. Beautiful, just like with what we've made here. Now perhaps you can have a go at building your own number 20 and putting it onto your worksheet. If you want to challenge at the end, you can have a go at writing the word 20, and you can have a go at writing out your numbers all the way from 1 to 20. All right, have a lovely day, Preps of Learning, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.